Words are the foundation of knowledge. They are powerful tools used to express ideas, communicate with others, access prior knowledge, and learn new concepts. Research shows a strong relationship between student word knowledge and academic achievement. As a result, building academic content vocabulary is an important part of science instruction. As with most students, English language learners benefit when vocabulary instruction is contextually rich and cognitively demanding. Contextually rich instruction builds basic language comprehension through the use of context clues that include authentic pictures, illustrations, diagrams, graphic organizers, and interactive learning experiences. Cognitively demanding instruction requires students to simultaneously process different types of information. Husty and Jackson, a 2008 study, reported that students who are ELLs achieved a deeper understanding of science concepts and enhanced their knowledge of science-related vocabulary when they were guided through inquiry-based, multi-sensory explorations that repeatedly exposed them to keywords, used visual clues, and used definitions in context. One example of visual clues for vocabulary development is the use of an interactive word wall. Such visual presentation of material can be extremely beneficial, as stated by a 6th grade ELL student who said, "The word wall helps a lot because it can be a reference, and I learn from seeing stuff, so the pictures really help." One study reported that scores on high-stakes tests increased across all student groups when teachers used interactive word walls and provided opportunities for students to encounter and use science vocabulary in authentic and engaging ways. Many school classrooms have traditional word walls displaying unorganized lists of vocabulary students have encountered in class. Word walls are designed to serve as visual scaffolds and are a common classroom tool used to support reading and language arts instruction, especially in the primary and early grades. To support vocabulary development in science and support students who are ELLs, Husty and Jackson, from the 2008 study, created interactive word walls that resemble semantic maps. Semantic maps are graphic organizers that help students identify important ideas and how those ideas fit together. They visually showcase relationships among concepts and may also be referred to as web or concept maps. Again, think about visually representing relationships. An interactive word wall, as opposed to the traditional word wall, provides visual aids that assist in illustrating word meaning and conceptually organize words to deepen understanding. These word walls usually include a visual representation of the word along with a vocabulary label. Definitions, the lengthy text definitions that you might find in the dictionary, are optional. So why interactive word walls in science? Well, multisensory interactive word walls provide an overview of each lesson and upon completion, an overview of the unit as well. Teachers who implemented interactive word walls found that it made organizing unit instruction easier in focused planning meetings. Especially think about tool tri-language immersion. Interactive word walls are useful to students not only in unifying related terms, but also in helping students understand connections. Moreover, students became more self-sufficient during activities and labs or projects. In class, finding information they needed by looking at the word wall as a resource rather than asking the teacher. Remember, with an interactive word wall, when the student has a question, you can say, "Ask 3 before me," and your interactive word wall is one of the resources they know and are confident they can use as a wayfinding means to solving problems.